As you begin to settle in, just take a moment to allow yourself to be here. Be here completely. Because here, in this space, something powerful is about to unfold. You may be sitting on a chair or lying down. Maybe there's a soft sound around you, the hum of your environment. And as you notice that, you might also become aware of how your breath has already begun to slow down, all by itself, just like that. Now I don't know if you are thinking of the room you're in, or perhaps remembering what color socks you wore yesterday, or maybe your mind just floated back to a moment where you felt deeply, deeply seen. Whatever your mind chooses to do is perfectly fine, because in a few moments we'll take a journey together, a journey inward, a journey into the deepest, most powerful parts of you that are already ready to manifest something extraordinary. Let's begin with your body. I want you to feel your feet right now. Feel them connected to the ground. I want you to feel the chair holding you with complete support. I want you to feel your breath rising and falling. And allow each breath to take you deeper inward. With every inhalation, feel your body rise, and with every exhalation, feel it release. And now, as you continue breathing, let's begin your journey together. You see, manifestation isn't about wanting. We always want something. But here's something you need to know. Wanting comes from a place of lack. You want it because you don't have it. And that is the exact message you are giving to your subconscious mind. So the next time you find yourself saying, I want this or I want that, the message that's going to your subconscious is that I don't have it. So the only thing that you are going to manifest is the wanting of it, the lack of it. That is what will continue to come into your experience. Because wanting comes from lack. It whispers, I don't have this yet. And that whisper becomes your vibration. Whatever your vibration becomes your reality. But gratitude, the day you say thank you for this and for that, gratitude says, I already have this. I already am this. And that vibration is a magnet for miracles. Start small. Start with giving gratitude for what you already have, because that will not be difficult for your mind to believe. I want you to recall a moment in your life when you felt deeply grateful. It could be recent or far back, something small or something massive, just one moment where your heart felt full of gratitude. Can you see it? Can you feel it? Where were you? What were you wearing? Who was with you? What could you smell? What did the air feel like at that time? Let that moment come alive fully. Feel it in every cell of your body. Can you see it? Can you feel it? Can you hear something? Feel it now. Now at this moment, I want you to pause this recording and I want you to write down 3 more such moments when you felt deep gratitude. Write how it felt. Now here's what you can do. You can either write it on a piece of paper or you can type it up under this video in the comment section. Share it with everyone, all your community members. It's time for you to pause, spend some time in silence and write down 3 moments where you felt deeply grateful and come back instantly after you are done. Continuity will be important in this journey, so please come back. See you soon. Now that your heart is open, I want you to take a look around your life today. What do you already have that once felt like a distant dream, but you were able to achieve it? Maybe you felt certain people could never come into your life. They could never be your friends, but they are your friends today. It could be that employer that you felt you could never work for, but you are a part of that company today. It could be that business that you wanted to build that felt like a distant reality, but you are running that business today. It could be people, opportunities, your health, your journey in general, even the challenges that shaped you. Think about those moments. Now it's time to pause once again, and I want you to spend more time in silence, and I want you to write down 10 things you are grateful for right now. Physical, emotional, spiritual, anything that lights you up, that at one point felt like a distant reality, but it is a reality for you right now. Write down 10 such things and give gratitude for it. Write it in the present moment, that I am grateful for such and such that once felt like a distant reality. Write down 10 things. Again, write it on a piece of paper, or best, type it up under this video in the comment section. It will only encourage your fellow community members to do it as well. So take your time, pause the video right now, but come back and continue it. Don't wait. Don't do it tomorrow. Do it now itself. Come back to it. See you soon. Now, let's go even deeper. Let's give gratitude for what's yet to arrive. Now, this is difficult for most people, but it will not be difficult for you, because you have already become familiar with what gratitude feels like. You have given gratitude for what you already have. You have felt the gratitude for things that you own, you have, people, anything that felt like a distant reality, but it is a part of your life right now. You have given gratitude for that too. So you are very familiar with that feeling. I want you to use that feeling that you are now familiar with, and I want you to visualize you standing tall, speaking on a grand stage, your voice calm, clear, and commanding. The audience mesmerized, you flowing effortlessly. You don't just speak, you transmit power. And I want you to say, I am so grateful for the speaker I have become. I am so thankful for the impact I create every time I speak. I am deeply grateful for how people receive my words with open hearts. Feel it. Let it be real. Expand the image in your mind. See yourself clearly on stage, delivering that powerful talk. You move effortlessly, with ease. You feel at home. You hold the mic with a tight grip. Your gaze is immensely intense and powerful at the audience. You are so inspiring, so motivating. You can feel that inspiration in you right now. And the audience, they are glued to you. They want to hear more from you. Expand this image. Make it bigger, larger than life. Make it brighter, brighter, really bright. Let it shine. I want you to hear your voice really loud and strong. I want you to hear the sound of the applause coming from the audience. I want you to see the standing ovation. I want you to hear the applause. And I want you to feel those amazing feelings. I want you to pause this recording at this time. And I want you to write a gratitude letter to your future self that you just saw. The powerful speaker you are becoming. Thank them for everything they've achieved. Write that letter. Either write it on a piece of paper again or type it up under this video in the comment section. As I said, it will only encourage your fellow community members to do the same. Pause it, take your time, write your letter, be in silence for a bit, but come back immediately. This is one full exercise. You can't leave it in between. Pause it now, and I will see you soon. Now that your conscious mind has softened, let's speak directly to your subconscious. Repeat after me, either aloud or silently. I am becoming the speaker I was always meant to be. Repeat it. I am becoming the speaker I was always meant to be. My voice carries clarity, strength, and love. Repeat it. My voice carries clarity, strength, and love. I trust the flow of my words. Repeat it. I trust the flow of my words. My message is valuable. Repeat it. My message is valuable. My presence changes the room. Repeat it. My presence changes the room. I am ready. I am grateful. I am that. Now gently place your hand on your heart and whisper to yourself, this is who I am becoming. This is who I already am. Take a deep breath now and anchor this moment. Any time in the future when you need this feeling, this clarity, this confidence, just place your hand on your heart and breathe. You will remember. You will return. In a moment, you'll return to your day, but something inside you has shifted. You've connected. You've planted. You've watered. And now the seeds will blossom. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes, smile, and begin again. Thank you for taking this journey. You may now rub your palms together. Stretch a bit if you like. Become aware of the present moment, of the space you're in. Open your eyes and keep this confidence with you. Thank you.